Hey there, I'm super excited you're coming to Baltimore for Baltimore Brawl 4. I want to show you something that I'm working on.
So here's a sneak peek of the scoreboard we're going to be using at BB4 in Baltimore. We've got blue side and gold side. It's showing right now just a demo pattern, but it's live connected to our cabs over Wi-Fi over the internet. And when someone puts in a berry, like a blue team puts in a blue berry is going to light up on the blue side at random. And then same with gold, and it'll fill up as it goes. And we can do like different victory conditions, and it'll do different patterns like this. But the coolest part is that it's using the ESP8266 Ethernet enabled chip. So there's a Wi-Fi enabled chip, and it can talk to the cabs over the internet in real time, remotely, even if the cabs are in a different location. This is the back side. We're using the LEDs in this package, so they have a little microchip in each one, so I can control each light individually, and they're kind of just poked through these holes that I laser cut in the backing board. And then this is the microcontroller. We have a 12-volt power supply powering the strips, and then the 5-volt power supply powering the board, and then a data line going from the board to the chip, to the LEDs. And then this part here talks to the internet, and that's how it's getting the berry information. Right now we're just running the demo sequence, but I'll switch over to the berry display in a minute. Alright, so here is the berry pattern running, and you can see like as teams put in berries, that berry like swirls around and then pops into place. And then this data is coming live from the cabinet. No one's currently playing, so I'll show you what it's working from bmorkq.com/API/current_match, and this is the JSON file that gets loaded. So special thanks to Chris Prestinger for all this. And then down here, these are all the coordinates where the player put in berries from. So you can see like player ID, that means like this player, which is probably blue abs, put in a berry, and this information is reported to our Arduino, to our chip, the ESP8266 chip. So here's this information. So this comes in live. Right now it's not live, so it's going through all of them just because no one's currently playing. So this is the most recently played game. And the code is just going through and updating the berry. So you can see this game was played on Night Map, and this was, I guess, last night. And the last game of the night was Night Map, and blue team's winning. Awesome. So then it resets after the game. And it's all running off this little chip here, connected over Wi-Fi.